welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have some cleaning to do, and then I have a couple of new decor items that I want to put out. So I'm just going to bring you along for all of that, and I hope that you enjoy today's video. So before I put out any of the new decor, which isn't too much actually, it's just a couple of new items, I love to start with a clean home. So I really wanted to tackle cleaning the kitchen first, which had gotten messy from breakfast and piled up dishes. So I'm just going to put some of the stuff I used away, putting away clean dishes from the dishwasher, and then washing those dirty ones. I always tend to start in the kitchen when cleaning, and it just gives me motivation to continue with everything else. And I hope that you find some motivation today to get some cleaning done or to tackle something from your to-do list.
Like you're fearless, steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
And this day was actually such a nice and warm day. I love warm weather, so I'm really excited for summer. And I'm also excited to get a bit more of some spring cleaning and decluttering done during the summer. Well, I guess it won't be spring cleaning by the time I do it, but since I'm a teacher, I'm a little bit more busy during the spring since the end of the school year is approaching. So I don't really have a lot of time to do a lot of those big spring cleaning or decluttering tasks done. So I use the summer to do a lot of that and a lot of my decluttering. Let me know if you guys have done a lot of spring cleaning. I'm curious to know. And I also wanted to share this new soap dispenser I got. It's from Scrub Daddy. It's called the Soap Daddy, and I love it. You just push it down for the soap to come out. You could also dispense it from the bottom, but I've just been loving using it lately, and I'll link it down below for you guys as well.
Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So just finishing tackling the dishes, and I'm gonna let some pans soak with some Dawn Power Wash, and then just let them sit for a while, and then I need to give the sink a good clean. So I'm going to use some baking soda and a little bit of vinegar and let that sit also before I clean it off. I've also been using the Dawn Power Wash on the glass stovetop, and it does a really good job of cleaning it. And then I just finished wiping it down with the Method all-purpose cleaner. So I've been really liking using this combo.
I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
And those pans were so easy to clean once they sat for a while with the Dawn Power Wash, and then after that I'll just wipe down the sink after letting that sit also, and then I'm almost finished with the kitchen.
Too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us
The last thing that I'm doing in the kitchen is wiping down the countertops. I first go in with a disinfectant wipe and then use the Method all-purpose cleaner.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
The only decor that I wanted to switch out in the kitchen are these hand towels, and then I also wanted to switch out some little black bowls that I had set out on that woven tray. We've actually been using them, so instead I got this mortar and pestle, and I found it at Home Goods, and I just think that it looks really beautiful here. Something else I wanted to switch out is this blanket. I actually use it a lot when laying on the couch, and it's just a little too warm for right now, and I think it looks more like a fall or winter throw. So I did get a new one. I got this new waffle texture blanket, and it's just lighter, and I think it just goes better for spring and summer.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
I also needed to switch out the water for my fresh flowers. If you watch my channel, you know I absolutely love having fresh flowers in my decor, so I just needed to give them a little bit of fresh water. And if you haven't seen my videos before and you're new and enjoying today's video, I would love for you to subscribe.
Remember the colors, they were wrong. It was way more than a dream. We climbed up, get over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together.
Moving on to upstairs, I'm just picking up here. We actually got a new ottoman that I'll be switching out today. That gray one was just starting to get a little worn, and I just wasn't feeling the gray on it anymore, and we've had it for several years, so I wanted to get a new one, and the one I got I feel just adds lots of brightness, and I really love it. I also got some new pillow covers and pillows, which I'll be switching out, and I think it just all made such a difference. But before I put out the new pillows and the ottoman, the couch and pillows really needed a good vacuum. With having a spoiled pup that gets to be with us everywhere, including the couch, it does need a good vacuum often. And then in between vacuums, I just use a lint roller to keep it clean, so that also helps.
Standing on the dizzying heights.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want
And although we're replacing this ottoman, I did want to give it a good vacuum since it'll be going to someone else. And then I'm going to be vacuuming the stairs, which is probably one of my least favorite chores, but it has to get done. And then I'll just finish vacuuming the rest of the room.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
This Folex cleaner also works so well on couches and pillows, so I'm just using it on a couple of stains that were on the couch and pillows before I put the new pillow covers.
I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly.
And here's the new ottoman. It's from Article, and I will link it down below. I really love it. I just wanted something a bit more simple, something that we can easily move around and put our feet on it. And I love the color and the way it contrasts with the gray couch. I don't think I'll put a tray with decor on it like I did my other one. I just wanted something more cozy and relaxing since we're in this space often, and I always want it to be nice and cozy. And then for the pillows, I got this pillow insert from Amazon and I love it. It's down-filled, super soft, and you can make the perfect chop with it if you like to karate chop your pillows like I do. And then the pillow covers are from Woven Nook, and I'll also link them below. They have really beautiful options. They have a lot of neutral pillow covers, which I love. It's not sponsored or anything, but I just found them online and I really liked them. And then the smaller pillows I got from Target.
Slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place?
And pillow covers are a really good way to change out your decor without having to buy a bunch of new pillows. But a tip I have for you when you're using pillow covers is to try to get inserts that are a little bit bigger than your pillow cover. So I have 24-inch pillow inserts and then 22-inch pillow covers. That's just because you want your pillows to look full and plump. And if you get inserts that are smaller or even the same size, they might look a little bit saggy or like they're missing fluff. So always try to get pillow inserts that are bigger and pillow covers that are a little bit smaller.
What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
And I love these a few changes that I did up here. We just always enjoy being up here in this cozy space. And that is everything for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, that you got some cleaning motivation or some decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.
I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do